Startup legal services versus full-service law firms. Which one is better for early-stage entrepreneurs? Most early-stage entrepreneurs get this wrong by thinking any law firm will meet their needs, but the surprising truth is that the choice between startup legal services and full-service law firms can significantly impact your business growth. Startup legal services are designed specifically for new companies. They provide tailored packages for company formation, shareholder agreements, intellectual property, and initial funding rounds. For example, if you're launching a tech startup, these services can quickly handle incorporation, advise on equity distribution, and help secure seed investment, often at a predictable cost. They are ideal for founders who need fast, practical solutions without overwhelming legal bills. Full-service law firms, on the other hand, offer a broad range of legal expertise across multiple industries and complex areas such as mergers and acquisitions, litigation, and regulatory compliance. For instance, if your startup grows rapidly and plans to expand internationally, a full-service firm can manage complex contracts, employment law issues, and cross-border intellectual property rights. While more expensive, they provide comprehensive support for long-term scaling. So, which is better? For early-stage entrepreneurs with limited budgets, startup legal services are cost-effective, fast, and specialized. For startups anticipating rapid growth, investment rounds, or legal complexity, a full-service law firm provides the breadth and depth needed to navigate these challenges. The key takeaway is that understanding your business stage and goals is crucial. The right legal partner can prevent costly mistakes, protect your intellectual property, and streamline operations. Many startups start with specialized legal services and transition to full-service firms as they scale, combining efficiency with long-term security. Choosing strategically ensures your venture stays legally sound while focusing on growth.